Alright guys, so let's talk about this Velocity Micro Raptor Z95. This thing is marketed as a gaming PC, and on paper, it looks pretty sweet. We got an Intel Core i7-7800X, 6 cores running at a base 3.5 GHz, boosting up to 4.0. That's a solid foundation for some serious gaming performance. Paired with that, we've got 16 gigs of DDR4-2400 RAM. Not the fastest RAM on the market these days, but 16 gigabytes is a decent amount for most modern games. Now, where this machine starts to get interesting is the storage. A full terabyte SSD. That means lightning-fast boot times, quick game loading, and a snappy overall system experience. No more waiting around for things to load. The graphics card is an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with 8 gigabytes of dedicated video memory. Now, the 1070 isn't brand new, but it's still a very capable card that can handle 1080p gaming at high settings and even some 1440p action depending on the game. You'll be able to crank up the graphics and enjoy a smooth, immersive experience. It's not going to blow you away with cutting-edge ray tracing, but it's a solid performer for the price point. This Raptor Z95 comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, so you can jump right into gaming without any hassle. And something I always appreciate is good customer support. Velocity Micro boasts 100% US-based, lifetime phone support. That's a big plus, knowing you can reach someone if you run into any problems. Now, what's the catch? Well, while the components are good, they're not the absolute latest and greatest. The i7-7800X, while still powerful, is a few generations old now. You're not getting the latest PCIe speeds or the newest architecture. Similarly, the GTX 1070 is a bit dated. If you're looking for absolute top-tier performance, you might want to consider a build with more modern components. However, if you're looking for a solid, pre-built gaming PC that can handle most games at respectable settings without breaking the bank, this Raptor Z95 is definitely worth considering. The 1TB SSD is a huge plus, and the lifetime support provides peace of mind. Just be aware that you're not getting bleeding-edge technology here. It's a great mid-range option for gamers who want a reliable and capable machine without the hassle of building their own. So, weigh your options, consider your budget, and see if this Raptor Z95 fits your gaming needs. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.